motherfucker. Too close!
Just here keeping the original. Yo,
Come on, Pop, move, man!
Oh, BG, you out of bounds, Mark. Raise up.
It's happening! Get out that ride, homie! What the fuck? Midget cooks! That's it, I'm calling the cops!
You're calling a church, hey now?
Whoa! Ah! Ah!
Have been answered well. Hello.
I don't want to know.
Franklin!
What the fuck? I mean, what the hell going on here?
Wait a minute. Franklin, what are you doing here?
I live here. This half my house, too.
So you say? Anyway, Magenta is reinvigorating my femininity. So make yourself scarce. Boy, go. Go.
With pleasure.
Go.
Goodness.
And stay out of trouble.
Yeah.
I bet you ain't no more of a man than me.
I hear that.
Gangster shit, nigga. Look who's bizarre.
What's up,
What's at it
fool?
with it, man?
Oh, no, show some respect here, nigga. That man, they couldn't hold down his back. Come on now.
Damn, man. I gotta spend my day with another middle-aged fool trying to recapture his youth.
What this fool just say?
I missed you, dawg.
Oh, you miss me, huh?
Nah, I ain't missed you. Your ass could have stayed gone for good. So I fucked your girl, mugged your moms, and better yet, I ain't thought about your ass in years.
Ha ha. You got jokes now, huh? Hey, but I see you doing well for yourself. Check that on out.
Shit, I'm doing just fine.
That's what I hear. But I know some sweet boys up in the pen that got bigger balls than you.
Oh, you been doing your time looking at sweet boy balls?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's good to have confirmation.
This funny fuck. Why you keep hanging around this clown, L? Shake this fool,
We
man.
from the same set, Stretch. Why y'all niggas can't get along? Y'all been doing this shit for years, man.
You know what, dawg? It's good you back home. Glad you here. Missed you, boy. Damn, you definitely got hit up inside.
Hit up? Hey. Yo, motherfucker, I know little niggas like you been turned out on the daily. Talking about being hit up, nigga, I swear, man. You ain't got no motherfucking respect.
Motherfucker, I got respect for reality.
Reality? All right, you keep thinking that. Just keep thinking that, nigga. Shit, you gonna get yours.
Fuck you.
I swear, man.
Strizzettes, come on, man. Cool
what the
out.
fuck,
Chill, man.
This motherfucker get on my goddamn
The
nerves.
nigga get on my nerves too, man. But part of the nigga charm, man. F, come on, man. Let's just bust a move, man. You gonna drive or what, pimp?
Drive where?
Pick up this heat, nigga.
Why?
Business, nigga. Real business. Come on, bro. Y'all niggas act like girls. Shit.
Not me, shit. Let's go to the gun store.
How you doing?
Shit, homie. You gonna drop all that bread on that gear, you might as well get a haircut, too.
Fucking crazy-haired microphone motherfucker.
I got a microphone I can shove right in your prison pocket. Nigga, you walk like you keister and shit anyway.
You know, when I went away, you punks was little homies, and I was a big homie. Now I'm out, and you little homies is big homies. But you still gotta respect.
Man, what the fuck this nigga talking about?
Damn!
Fuck this nigga talking about?
We all big homies, but he bigger, right?
Exactly.
Man, that's some fucking pyramid scheme bullshit.
Pyramids is good, man. Illuminati pharaoh shit. As soon as we get this shit, as soon as we get paid, homie.
As soon as we get incarcerated, more likely.
What's up?
Ammunition. Armorer to the stars.
Hey, what's up, man?
Firing range is in the back, and all our weapons are customizable.
Oh, hell yeah. You can trick your blam blam out up in here.
Quit all that. Just straight up artillery, man, all right?
Hey, y'all shut the fuck up. I got this, you clowns.
All right, homie, get your shotgun with the flashlight modification.
Why the fuck am I the only one buying this?
Cause we got sheets, homie. Now shut the fuck up and come on. Hey, listen up. I want to be crystal fucking clear. Nothing he buying got anything to do with us.
Yeah, you know, we got felonies and we ain't touching shit.
I ain't even looking.
You gonna buy that shit I don't know nothing about?
Whew, it's hot as hell up in here, homie.
Yeah, real shit, my
We
nigga.
could buy this shit, go to Mexico, take that shit to the bank.
Hell no, nigga, we got felonies, nigga. Ain't nobody doing that shit. We legit as a motherfucker on this right now, man. Just chill. Oh, choosy ass only child motherfucker.
Now, how the hell you work in a shop like this all day long without feeling the need to grab a gun, just walk out the door and shoot somebody?
I think they do a psych test to make sure people working here don't do shit like that.
A psych test?
Man, you see this nigga right here? He look every bit of 5150.
You supposed to get a flashlight before you book.
Man, let's do this shit. We ain't window shopping. Now just let me reinstate, man, that the purchases made by this man ain't got nothing to do with the two gentlemen of felon nature.
That's right. Yeah.
Now let's go bust on some niggas. Take us down to that one spot where the baseheads be taking their cans at. You know, on Fringe in La Puerta.
Come back soon.
Shady.
got some cans or some shit I don't know about?
Nah, homie. We got ourselves a drug deal.
Why do I get the feeling it's gonna be one of them deals gone wrong type situations?
Now, see, that's that negative attitude Lamar was telling me about, nigga. You ain't getting nowhere thinking like that.
The power of positive bullshit. You ought to be clenching your motherfucking vagina muscles with my aunt, nigga.
After his bid, it probably need tightening up.
This ain't new age shit. It's fact. You get what you give, fool.
You been getting dick, but you ain't giving it, huh?
Some Mark talk like that to an OG? CGF has changed, man. No wonder the hood is so lame right now.
Speaking of change, Lamar's been meaning to talk to you, homie.
Nah, not now, homie.
What's happening?
It's nothing, my nigga, nothing, you know. Just some ideas, that's all.
Man, ideas ain't your strong suit, so put it on me.
It's nothing real, homie. When it's something real, we'll talk.
Bullshit, man. It's realer than this crap.
All right, homie, we meeting in here.
Step off. Man, how'd you find this place?
The homie set it up.
It's the kind of spot where we ain't gonna be disturbed.
That's what the fuck worries me. I'm more of a hide in the plain sight type of nigga.
No, you more of a punk bitch type nigga.
What's up, fool?
What up with
We
it?
got that shit, nigga, with a paper at. Nigga, I'm talking about buku bills.
Lamar
boy.
Davis. What's up, boy? Everything cool?
Hold on, man. What the fuck, man? You was just kidnapping this nigga.
Oh, come on,
dog.
dog. You don't real recognize real.
D, my nigga, just got out crossing lines, did some time with some of your folks.
Hey, look, this ain't about you, man.
What?
You know these niggas done
Yo, what the
fucked
fuck
up.
this trick talking about, man?
Yeah,
What's that?
yeah.
Somebody
See,
creeping on us?
They putting a nigga on TV, man, about some gang intervention shit.
Hey, this ain't the police, dog. This some ballers bullshit.
Nigga, that's some
man.
bullshit.
Fuck you.
Hey, we been set up, nigga. This shit fucked up.
you, nigga.
Snake motherfucker. Shit. Oh, bitch ass ballers.
We doing this or what? Come on.
Oh, you see that shit?
That fucking D set us up.
I said lay low after you got propped.
You ain't no motherfucker, that ain't me.
I can see that.
It's 3-on-1 right now. You always say you knew better, bitch, but you always end up in the same fucked up situations.
I'ma learn to trust my own motherfucking instincts.
Cover me, homie. I'ma hit this. Fuck!
Here again?
Fuck you.
You going first next time, no fool.
Shit, nigga, then we all be dead.
Not me, nigga.
You about to have a bunch of dead homies. You gonna get chipped, though, bitch-ass baller.
Clowns, man.
You
Kill my ass, nigga.
I'm finna show you how an OG handle his shit.
That's something I don't need to see.
And I don't want your clumsy ass falling down these stairs, fool. They was a safety hazard before blood got spilled all over the place.
This is fucked.
You deadly motherfucker.
The clock been ticking for a long time.
Fuck you. Man, pop me and get it over with. Man, clap these fools.
I'm right behind you. Ain't no time to chill. Man, it's on in here. Get behind something. About time you cracked them grenades.
Man, I deserve to get cooked.
Callow motherfuckers. Fire, dog. Fire. You see that shit?
Well, move. Shit, we gotta go before this shit spread. Man, back up. What kind of dumb motherfucker go and trust that motherfucker?
It look good on paper, is all I'm gonna say.
Here again?
CCF for life.
Fuck you.
It's like 2 more of them left. Bust them fools. See what's up ahead, homie?
Dumbass baby G.
Nigga, get down or lay down. Did you think to work out an exit while you set up this meet?
There's always a way out, motherfucker, and we gon' find it.
Fuck! Cops outside! I ain't going back!
Fuck!
Send him back!
They got my number, man. Go ahead.
Hey, here's the exit!
Through the fire exit. Come on.
Hey, one time!
We ain't going nowhere with that chopper on us. Take it out. Hey, it's a ladder over here.
We're going down! Chopper has been hit!
Watch out, Lo! We almost done, homie. Let's go.
Surround the building.
Shit. Up here.
You clowns taking the fall for this.
Jack, motherfucker, get your bitch ass out.
I wish I was in jail, not running with you fools.
You ain't see that? I'm getting low in the seat and they still on me.
Eagle 1 is inbound. You for real? I wasn't here. I wasn't even in this state.
Man, stop driving all conspicuous and shit. You gonna lose them or what? What you on, homie? Man, where the rollers at?
This ain't got nothing to do with me, homie.
What was your daddy drinking when he skeet you out?
Hey, watch your whip. I ain't catching this.
You slipping, fool?
Keep them rollers off us. Out the jailhouse, into the ER. You just picked me up on the side of the road. That's the story, dig? Dispatch, I have a 20 on him.
Man, leave us be, motherfuckers!
Nothing righteous about this shit. Acting like big dog.
You'll get PC'd up in the pen, nigga.
Doing 50 miles per hour. A black 4 doors.
Man, I don't get the cop mentality. Any of them getting away and they mine, homie.
We are
airborne and airborne.
That's it, we lost him. Now take us somewhere where we can get it in, homie.
I'm driving back to my crib, man, all right?
Dispatch, officers have lost visual on suspect. All units stand down. Code 4.
Hey, what the hell you walked me into back there?
Shit, man, you the one popped his ass.
I did the necessary.
Yeah, thank you for that, dawg.
This all on you, LD, lanky dumbass.
Me? Hey, I ain't know the fools was gonna roll on us.
If you started something with the ballers, shit, I don't care if you CGF for life, man. You done. Done, you dig?
Actually, we ain't CGL for life, cause all that means is we giving you money for nothing. We got our own shit now, homie, foreign gangsters.
Oh, no, he don't mean that, Lo. F just talking outside his neck.
I'ma reach cross lines, all right? Conversate with the purple homies.
Yeah, that's a good idea, man. Smart shit.
But if I gotta hang you assholes out for this, the gang comes first.
Oh, it ain't gonna come to that, homie. You all diplomatic and shit.
Yeah, he a real fucking diplomat, ain't he? This that peace-talking motherfucker we should've sent to the Middle East. Fuck. No wonder I wanna get out of here.
No one's stopping you, little homie.
And watch that
Who
shit,
gave this
homie.
fool a license?
I'm gonna fuck you up. Hey, I ain't looking for no trouble, all right?
You tripping.
Hey, whatever.
Come on, homeboy, what you doing? Gotta be tripping to fuck with this
Oh,
dude.
man.
Man, I'm gonna fuck you up.
Here we are, man. You gonna hang with your auntie while the men break it off.
Shut the fuck up.
Hell no, nigga. You sounding more and more like a snee-eye itch every day.
Hell
Nah,
yeah.
nigga, I sound like somebody trying to make some paper and not get killed.
He's a hook-ass nigga, I told you.
Nigga, go toss a salad, stretch mark ass bitch.
Fucking buster.
Motherfucker! Reloading!
Oh, if it was only that simple, sister.